In today's video, I am going to teach you how to track downloads in Google Analytics. To get started, sign into your Google Analytics account and make sure you are looking at the correct property for your website. Once you are in, go to Analytics Home. This is the main landing area where you can quickly access reports and settings. From here, we are going to move into the area where download tracking is controlled. Next, look to the left side navigation and click Admin. The Admin section is where Google Analytics 4 keeps your property settings, including the way events are collected. Since file downloads are tracked as an event in GA4, this is exactly where you need to be. Inside Admin, find and click Data Streams. Data streams represent the sources of data coming into your property, such as your website or an app. For tracking downloads on a website, you will be working with the Web Data Stream. When the Data Streams page opens, select your Web Data Stream from the list. This is the stream connected to your site, and it is where you can manage the measurement options that control automatic event tracking. After you open the Web Data Stream details, locate the area that contains your stream settings. Click the highlighted option on this screen to open the Stream Configuration panel. This is where GA4 groups important controls for enhanced measurement and related features. Within these settings, click the next highlighted option to access the enhanced measurement choices for your stream. Enhanced measurement is the feature that automatically tracks common interactions, and file downloads are included here. Now click the option labeled +4 more. This expands the list so you can see additional enhanced measurement events that may be hidden in the compact view. Expanding this list helps you confirm which automatic events are enabled for your stream. Finally, click File Downloads. This is the specific setting that controls whether GA4 will automatically collect download events when someone clicks a link to a file on your site. As a tip, after enabling it, give Analytics some time to process new activity, then check your events reporting to confirm file downloads are being recorded as users interact with download links. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.